Hi everyone, I'm playing Subway Surfers, so please watch and like it. Now I'm running and taking all of the coins and I'm collecting magnets and some prizes and a jet pack and like a flying scooter, and I'm jumping on train with those bouncy shoes, and I was collecting those magnets to get the coins to me. You can't see how much coins I collected, but you can see they will be three numbers, like 100 or 121, any number, or with two number or one number. There's some train moving, so when I'm on one train, that means I can go to the moving train on the top. Oh no, I'm going to hit now. The police tasted me. Never mind, I have one key to use. So it's for me to save, but I didn't press it. Now I'm in the third time I will maybe get the coins, and the key I will press top, and that means I will still be alive. That's bouncy boots. I jump high and I use this, and the bouncy boots I'm keeping them and not finishing, and the jet key is doing it. Like the jet pack is letting me do it, and I'm having some magnet. I'll hit myself, so I hit myself, then I'll use the key, and it will not make. I didn't make it. I didn't press it yet. So I'm running so fast than the police, and his tummy is like so fast. I saw it when I was spraying. Now I am doing faster and collecting the coin and looking for the jetpack. I found it. Then that jetpack is like so fast. I can't get the coin nicely. So I went in this side. But what is this side? But I didn't land it on there. I will hit myself now, so I will use the key. Now, not. I just tapped a one present, and I will unlock a one people. I unlocked someone. I unlocked someone. Now I'm start playing, and I can't buy anything because I have not enough coins. The zombie one was 12,000. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you guys.